What do you do to stay cool when visiting Disney World? What do you do to stay cool when you're visiting Disney World? Well, you hit the ski slopes at Blizzard Beach.
We're floating on the lazy river. Oh my gosh, it's so cold! I got you now! I got you now! It was fun, wasn't it? Was that fun? Was that fun, Corwin? Look at the baby over there, look. That's pretty cool.
Blizzard Beach has a really nice toddler area. This is where I spent most of my day, but they had employees there that were also handing out rubber ducks for the kids to play with in the water.
You going on that one? Which one is Mommy going? This one? This one? Why am I going all the way over here? Huh? Well, he's going to sit there now. Ready? Go!
I was able to sneak away from the toddler area for a quick run on a slide.
Can you go down over there? Snow water? Yes. You're fine. It's okay, she's still See ya! Alright, that was actually more fun than I thought it would be.
We love this family two-bride.
Oh! Get off me!
Here we go, boy!
Here we go! Woo! He's hanging on to me pretty tight. Yay! That's fun, isn't it?
There you go!
That's a nice long ride. Oh, that's cool. I like this one. Yeah, there you go. Yay! That was fun, wasn't it? Yep, that's it.
We saw several people walking around with the Sand Pail Sundae, so we just had to get in line and give it a try.
Ice cream bar. Oh! That's a Mickey's ice cream
need a spoon for? You're better off just to eat that. Yummy. Yes. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right. And they're making the Sunday pail. Thank you. All right, let's go. Sunday Pail Sunday. What do you think?
This is what you saw. This is what you saw.
They are gone.
A couple of suggestions based on our experience. When waiting in long lines to ride rides, dance. Also, take plenty of sunblock. I would take a dry change of clothes so when you're traveling back on the buses, you are not wet. I would also use Blizzard Beach as a way to break up multiple days of long, hot days in the other parks. It's a nice way to cool off and relax.